Okay, so, alright, since we remember that the angles are congruent, right? So then this angle will equal this side over here. So this will be another 75-degree angle over here. Then another theorem we gotta remember is that all the angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360. So we could add, so you go get 75 plus 75 equals, I gotta do this, I can't do this in my phone. 0. So this equals 150. Now we'll get the 360 minus 150. Then again. So we 210. Then since we know that, so like the missing degrees we have is 210 degrees, and since we know these two angles are congruent, we could divide this 210 by 2, because there's two angles and they're both the same length or the same like measurement. Yeah. So then if you divide this by 2 with just a long division, so 2 goes in there once, and 2 minus 0, then bring down the 1. Okay. Then so when you divide 210 by 2 equal 105. Then our measurement of these degrees will be 105 degrees. So now we found like all the missing we all found all the missing angles in here. Then now we can also find the missing lengths. So if you know this length to be 12 inches, then since this side is opposite with this side, you can make this one into, this one actually is 12 inches too. And then if you know this, because this will be given and this will be, let's say it's, since this is like a tilted square, like the rhombus, that means all the lengths will be the same. So you just discover that they're all 12 inches. So now we just found all the measurement of the sides and the angles. And that's all we're really trying to do in this lesson. Then if you guys go back to the questions to instruction forum. Carmen? If you guys are there, just give me a thumbs up. There's a document there. And you guys can go to number 2 for me, please. Thumbs up if you guys are there. So then with this, on the example, you guys just gotta imagine that there's a 15 and 36 right here. And if you guys could do that on with your elbow partners, and just with the theorems that we just learned right now, you guys could do that, please.
It's probably number 2. Yeah.
Oh, we're just in the yeah, exactly. All the angles. Then there's 36. Now I can do it. You're doing good. If you need help, just make sure that I'm warned by you. I love questions.
Are you supposed to know the sides too, or just the angles? That's right.
Makes it so much easier. What are you trying to dashes are to show the sidelines is equal, the area to show the parallel.
Yeah. That's how they put two so you can match them with that. It'd be easier if there was different colors. Dude, great job. Oh my goodness. I love your
At first, this one was not.
I totally I like that sometimes.
Yeah.
You good over here?
Is this even right?
Yeah, that's great. That's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, then you always gotta remember like then the opposite sides are always congruent too. That they're equal to each other. Oh my god.
You did it?
So good. So proud of you guys.
So good.
You guys are doing great. Alright, if you guys all got it, or if you guys are getting it, you guys give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay, great, great. Alright, so for the end of the class, I want to do you could do some graphic notes like this and like just write like the notes could be like what we learned about like the theorems of like the opposite sides are congruent, or like the opposite sides are congruent and the opposite angles. So if you guys want to write some stuff down in your notes, I got markers for you guys for the graphic notes. You guys want? Just you guys could draw like some squares, some rhombuses, anything you guys want. Well, not anything you guys want. You guys can't just draw a random circle or anything because we're not learning about circles. Bring some parallelograms in this.
So just making around.
Now I'll just be coming around to see what you guys are doing for the graphic notes and see if you guys are getting the point down.
Most people struggle with that.
I don't even know how to spell this. Wait, sorry. Wait, is there two R's? I think there is.
No.
That's not right.
Yes.
Why am I?
Good job. Any of the things you guys want, you guys can be anything. You guys write them. You guys.
I said an O or an A. I feel so ashamed.
Do that wrong. Honestly, what'd you write right there?
I heart parallelograms.
Oh my God. That's
Just
amazing.
one parallelogram.
Just one.
Oh,
Just this one.
okay. You always have to have your heart for one parallelogram. You guys, you can't cheat on another parallelogram. It's just so rude.
I know. You're telling me.
Yeah.
Parallelogram and then congruent.
Okay. Cool. Hey, if you guys could share with the Oval partner what you guys do, just so you guys can bounce off ideas from each other.
I think I finally got the spelling right. I'm not gonna have enough room.
I think that's it, guys. Thank you guys for listening.